The Oak team focuses its research on optimizing database algorithms and architectures capable of processing large amounts of complex data. Benjamin Jahandideh, the team's development engineer, talks to us about CliqueSquare, a distributed RDF database for efficient retrieval of this type of data.
Je vais vous faire la présentation de CliqueSquare, qui est une base de données RDF distribuée.
I'm going to present CliqueSquare, a distributed RDF database that functions under Hadoop MapReduce. I will demonstrate how it works using a simple request used to search a previously loaded dataset, and which aims to retrieve simple information about students. So, CliqueSquare will calculate a set of more or less efficient maps to be executed on a set of servers, a MapReduce cluster. In fact, CliqueSquare has execution algorithms that serve to reduce the complexity of a MapReduce job as much as possible. So what we see here is a physical map. CliqueSquare will aim to reduce the complexity of this execution map as much as possible, in order to maximize the parallelism and optimize execution of the request. Once CliqueSquare has obtained the optimal execution map, we can run this map in my Hadoop cluster to retrieve the data we want. So here we can see the execution of my job running on my cluster, and which is aiming to obtain the data related to my request. So there it is processing the request, and shortly the results will be available and I can access them via the interface. CliqueSquare can be used on vast amounts of different data since, basically, what it does is analyze RDF data sourced from the web and which therefore comes from extremely different domains. For example, it could be used for open data projects, for making government data or public and private sector data available. In other words, it's more for a business to make use of CliqueSquare, to provide a certain value to this datum that exists on the net.